Well, this time I'm pretty sure Azul and I will win.
What race is mine?
So it's a just so re-race to the fans of these games. The first bird can draw all three rings. And the goal the fastest is the winner. And that's so re-race.
So our ring race is shall be. I remember, boys